Did you eat your fruits today? Did you eat enough? Did you maybe eat too much? How do you know? Here's a quick way to get 5 amazing fruits plus 4 life-enhancing adaptogens in one delicious glass. Experts say you should eat around 2 cups of fruit daily, but fruits can have a lot of sugar. They go bad quickly, they're expensive, therefore they're easy to ignore. That's a shame, because there are certainly fruits out there that can help enhance our lives every day. They help provide natural energy. They're great for the skin. They don't overload you with a bunch of sugar, and they taste amazing. Let's begin with cranberries. They lower oxidative stress, provide urinary tract support, improve gum health, and even dental hygiene. Then there's raspberries, packed with skin-strengthening minerals, vitamin C, manganese, folic acid, copper, and iron. Great for everyday skin health. Strawberries are a sweet but low-sugar source of flavonoids, phenolic phytonutrients, and phenol antioxidants. A great collagen booster. Then there's blueberries, which are loaded with phosphates, iron, and magnesium. They're like little blue energy balls. Acai berries lower muscle stress and improve effort tolerance, with 10 times the antioxidants of most other fruits. These are great fruits to munch on throughout the day. Remember, experts recommend about 2 cups of fruits per day. It's best to get a variety too. That way, you get the full range of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and all the benefits fruits have to offer. However, there's still the problem of keeping them fresh and having to go out picking or shopping all the time. Most people don't have time for that. Not everyone has access to all these fresh berries either. That's why thousands of people are turning to Organifi Red Juice. One small jar of red juice gives you 30 days worth of all the berries mentioned. They're freeze-dried gently to preserve all those vibrant vitamins and minerals. It's the next best thing to fresh. Plus, Red Juice has 4 incredible adaptogens and 2 extra health boosters. It tastes and feels amazing. No picking, chopping, peeling, juicing, or messy cleanup. Just pour a scoop into your drinking water and stir it up. Simple as could be. So if you want to get more healthy fruits in your life the quick and easy way, Organifi Red Juice is perfect for you. Try Organifi Red Juice for 60 days risk-free. Follow the link to grab yours today.